I have received this rust converter paint to demonstrate for you. The package came with one 32-ounce container of rust converter paint, a pair of gloves, and an application brush. There are clear and easy to follow directions on the back of the container. Shake thoroughly before use. Pull this tab to open. I'm going to use this old rusty pickaxe to demonstrate the rust conversion paint. First step, I'm going to clean deposits. Let's paint over the rust. Look at the difference that's making already. This brush is spreading evenly on the flat surface. I really like how this looks so far. I'm going to clean the brush, seal the container, let it dry for 24 hours, and see if it needs a second coat. I want to show you a comparison between the painted and the unpainted side of the pickaxe. It is dried to a dark gray, light black color. It is smooth, and I don't feel any of the rust that was there before. This is the unpainted side. You can see the rust corrosion, and I can feel how rough it is compared to the smooth painted side. The paint is also really good at repelling water, minimizing future rust. After completing this demonstration, I would buy this rust converter paint for future projects around my house.